Hey, welcome back to SkyTech. Today we are building something that is going to feel really good the moment it works, because it is about you and your own progress. We are building a workout log app, a little place where you type in the exercise you did, how many sets, how many reps, and how much weight, and then it remembers all of it for you, forever, so you never have to hold that stuff in your head again. And the best part, the part that still makes me smile, you are going to build it by talking to an AI in plain English. No code, not one single line. If you have never built anything in your entire life, if the word coding makes your shoulders tense up a little, you are exactly who I made this for. So grab a drink, get comfortable, and stay with me, because by the end of this, you are going to have a real app that is truly yours. Let me paint the picture before we touch anything, because I want you to really feel what we are making. Think about the little notebook that some people carry around the gym, the one with sweaty, curled pages and scribbled numbers in the margins. That notebook is a training diary. It is not fancy, but it quietly tells the truth about whether you are getting stronger or just showing up and going through the motions. We are going to build a digital version of that beat up notebook, except ours never gets lost in the bottom of a gym bag, never gets rained on, and never runs out of pages. Same simple, honest idea, way less mess, and it lives right in your pocket. So why build your own when there are 100 shiny fitness apps already sitting in the App Store? Here is my slightly spicy take, and I genuinely want you to fight me on this down in the comments. Almost every fitness app on your phone wants $80 a year to store a small handful of numbers that you could honestly store yourself. Sets, reps, weight, a date. That is basically it. That is not rocket science. That is a tiny spreadsheet wearing a very expensive jacket. And I will go one step further. I actually think building your own little tracker makes you more consistent than any polished subscription app ever could, because you understand every inch of it and you truly own it. There is no paywall between you and your own numbers. Tell me if you think I am dead wrong on that. I can take it, and honestly the disagreements are the best part. Alright, let me introduce the tools, because the good news is you do not need to install anything scary or set up anything complicated. There are 3 friendly websites that quietly do all the heavy lifting for you: Lovable, Bolt, and Replit. The easiest way to picture them is like a super patient builder who pulls up a chair and sits right next to you. You describe the app you want out loud in normal, everyday words, and it builds the thing in front of your eyes while you watch it happen in real time. Pick any one of the 3, they all handle this project just fine. I am going to say Lovable a lot today, mostly because it feels gentle and forgiving for total beginners. But everything I show you works exactly the same way in Bolt and in Replit, so use whichever one you like the look of. Now here is the one habit I want to gently drill into you. And honestly, it is the whole secret of this entire channel. We build in a loop. You describe one thing, you look closely at what it made, and then you fix exactly one thing. Describe, look, fix one thing. Then you go around the loop again. It is just like adjusting your form on a heavy lift. You do a single rep, you watch yourself in the mirror, you tweak one little thing, elbows in, chest up, and then you go again. You never try to fix 5 things all at once, because if you did, you would have no idea which change actually helped and which one made it worse. Same exact rule here. One small change at a time, and you stay in control the whole way through. So let us actually start building this thing. Open up Lovable, and in that first big empty text box, you are going to paste something really simple. Here are the exact words I want you to type in, so listen closely. Build me a simple workout log app. I want to add an exercise with the number of sets, the number of reps, and the weight I used. Show all my past workouts in a list, newest at the top with the date on each one. Keep it clean and easy to read on my phone. That is your whole starting prompt. That is it. Notice that I did not use a single technical word anywhere in there. I just described what I want, plainly, like I was texting a friend who happens to be really good at building things. That is the entire skill. Describe the thing you want like a normal human. Give it about a minute, and something a little bit magical happens right in front of you. A real working app quietly appears on the right side of your screen. You will see a box to type an exercise into, little spots for your sets and your reps and your weight, and a nice big save button sitting underneath. Go ahead and add your first one. Type bench press, 3 sets, 10 reps, 95 pounds. and then hit that save button. Watch it pop into the list below. That list, right there, that is your training diary, alive and glowing on the screen. And here is a comforting little truth. Each row in that list is just your sets and reps for one day. The exact same way a single row on a spreadsheet holds one entry. There is nothing spooky or complicated hiding underneath it. It is rows in a list, and you already understand rows in a list. Quick question for you while we are right here in the middle of things, and I promise I really do read these. What is the very first lift you would log in your own app? Just drop the exercise down in the comments, and one single word is totally fine. Squat, deadlift, curls, overhead press, whatever your thing happens to be. I am genuinely curious what this particular audience trains. Whether you are a heavy barbell person or more of a dumbbells and bodyweight person. And honestly, it helps me make sharper, more useful episodes for you down the road. So tell me, what goes in first? Now let me warn you about the one thing that almost always breaks, because I would much rather you be ready for it than caught off guard and scared by it. When you go to add a second workout on a different day, you will very often notice something strange. Every single entry shows today's date. You log a session on Monday, then you log another one on Wednesday, and they both stubbornly say Wednesday. This is the classic stumble, and I want to be crystal clear. It is not you doing anything wrong. You did not break it. It is just the AI making one small, lazy assumption about dates when it first built the thing. And here is why it matters so much for us today. History is completely useless if the dates are lying to you. So we absolutely have to fix this before we take one more step forward. Here is the beautiful part though, and this is the moment a lot of beginners fall in love with building. You do not open up any files. You do not go hunting through anything technical trying to find the problem yourself. You just tell the builder what is wrong in plain, calm words. So type this in exactly. Right now, every workout is saving with today's date, so my older entries all show the wrong day. Please save the real date and time whenever I add a workout and show that save date on each one in the list. That is the whole fix. You describe the broken thing, then you describe the fixed thing you want instead. The AI goes off, quietly adjusts it, and now your Monday session says Monday, and your Wednesday session says Wednesday. Your diary is telling the truth again, and you fix the real bug without touching a line of code. And this is exactly where today's big new idea really clicks into place. This idea of history stretching out over time. A single workout all by itself is just a snapshot, one quick photo of one day. But when your entries start to stack up day after day, week after week, you unlock something so much more powerful than a photo. You get the video replay of your own progress. You can scroll slowly down that list and literally watch your bench press climb from 95 up to 105, up to 115 and beyond. Nobody on earth can argue with that list. It is the honest game tape of your training, the raw footage that does not flatter you and does not lie to you. And it is quietly cheering you on every single time you open the app. Let us make that progress even easier to spot. And this is a perfect excuse for another lap around the little loop. Tell the builder this next. For each exercise, show me my best weight so far, and tell me whether my last workout was heavier than the one before it. That one small, plain request quietly turns your basic list into a little pocket coach. Now, when you open the app, it does not just sit there remembering your numbers. It gently points out right on the screen when you are actually getting stronger, and it nudges you when you have been stuck at the same weight for a while. Describe, look, fix one thing. Do you see how we only added one single idea to that request? That steady, patient rhythm is the exact thing that keeps you from getting lost and overwhelmed. So how do you actually know when this thing is finished and you can walk away feeling genuinely proud of it? Here's my simple little checklist, and I promise there is no jargon anywhere in it. Number 1, you can add a workout with sets, reps, and weight. Number 2, it saves the correct date, the real day, not just today, for everything. Number 3, and this is the big one for this season, you can close the app completely. Come back hours or days later, and every past workout is still sitting right there, patiently waiting for you. And number 4, you can glance at any exercise and instantly tell whether you are trending up or stuck. When all 4 of those things are true, congratulations, you are done. You built a real app. Do not go adding 50 more features and burying yourself. Ship it and actually use it this week in the gym. Okay, second question for you before we wrap this up. And this is the spicy one, so I really want your gut reaction. Do you honestly think that tracking your lifts in an app you built yourself keeps you more consistent than paying for a fancy, polished one somebody else made? Just yes or no down in the comments. One word is perfect. I have already shown you my opinion. You heard me get a little worked up about it earlier, but now I genuinely want to hear yours, because I read every single reply that comes in, and the honest, thoughtful answers surprise me almost every single time. If this made building an app feel less like some locked secret club and more like something you can actually sit down and do on a random afternoon, do me one small favor and hit that subscribe button, because honestly, that is the only way these lessons keep finding their way onto your feed. And I already know exactly what we are building next, because if we can track your workouts this cleanly, then we can absolutely track your money the same way. So next time, we are building it together, and the episode is called How to Make a Budget App with AI, No Coding Needed. For now, go add just one workout to the app you just built with your own 2 hands, and I will see you in the very next one.